Alright, good morning. Sunday morning. Going on a trip. Just heading up to Nissan to pick up the rental truck. And then get on the road soon. Yeah, so when you rent the truck, they just go around and show you all the damage on it, so that they don't blame you for it. And so they either. Okay. It's filming, no?
Yeah. じゃあ気をつけていってらっしゃい。
ありがとうございます。
ご案内しますね。
Truck's only done 200,000 Ks. Let's go. Where do we go? I need maps. We going Kyoto way or Meihan way? We got 6 hours 40 minutes. Probably drop that down to 5.5. Today we're on our way to Saitama. Our container partner Bronson from Empire Imports bought a nice FC RX-7, so we're going to go pick it up for him. Back when I worked truck driving, this would always be my first stop every time I went to Nagoya or Tokyo. Such a nice little spot, eh? It's a very cool truck too. Yeah, this parking area is quite racing based. Being Suzuka, they've always got like a different race car or bike and heaps of memorabilia, I guess you'd say. 繰り返しお客様のお呼び出しを申し上げます。 So they got like memorabilia for Suzuka circuit, t-shirts, little plush toys of cars.
本日も鈴鹿パーキングエリアをご利用いただき誠にありがとうございます。
Haha, forks. Sick. Honda? Mm. So, how are you? Ah, no race, no life, no? No.
ブラックあったよね。
Yeah.
あ、あれ、僕。
Hey?
綺麗やけど。
Uh-huh.
可愛くない？
あ、これはかっこいい。Suzuka サーキット。
できそう？
ダサい？
うん、ダサい。
これはな、Suzuka サーキットな。
こんな可愛くない？
うん、かわいいやん。
でもキッズや。そうキッズな。こう、サイズなんかな。
Suzuka cookies。見て。見て。
ほんまや。食べたい？
ドーナツも。
カリーも。レッドゾーンカリーや。
レッドゾーンな。
あ、可愛いホイールの。
うんうん、ケーキ？
クッキー？
あ、クッキー。Super GT hats。何それ？あ、セイカの？
あんこいらんやろ。
あ、いらんで。
でもめっちゃ。
まず。Yeah, so it's all like omiyage, which is like souvenir. So it's quite common here to, when you visit a different place, buy something from that area. So a lot of them will have the city name or place name where you're at. Kobe pudding, even though we're nowhere near Kobe. They also being Suzuka, they always have a different car on display or race bike. Seen Formula cars, new Supras. That's sick. What is it? Ah, it looks like those little things that Ice Sun races, eh? Ice Sun shopな。ピンクのやつや。同じな。
これはベースは何の車なの？
知らんけど、ビータークラブな。
ホンダとかそんなんとかじゃないんですか？
もう知らんな。
412万円ってこと？
So for a car like this, you're paying 4.125 mil. Yeesh. There you go, the engine's a Vitz 1NZ with a Vitz RS 5-speed and it weighs 540 kilograms. 4.125 mil if you want one. Be pretty fun, I reckon. Alright, so quite a few hours later, we're getting off the highway. Still got what? 17 kilometers, 28 minutes away. Almost there. Fuck, 16,000 yen. Expensive. Oh, 種をおじいちゃんや Old man. Yeah, we're only a couple minutes out now. We're deep in the countryside. It's nice. There she is. Park here, I guess. Let's go say hello. Alright, so we're here. The RX-7. Nice, look at that turbo. That's sick. Has gold wing doors, some cool aero mirrors, meshes in the back. Fucking big wing. Yeah, I'll do some more filming once we get it back to stacked. Potential, but cool car. So countryside, eh? Got the FC. So cool, eh? So old school style. Yeah, once I get back to stacked, or tomorrow, I'll start it up. Makes a good sound. We're gonna go. There's a CT Wagon R driver's seat for sale, but it's pickup only, and it's been listed for about a month. It's in really good shape, and my driver's seat's not so good. So hopefully eventually I'll get to go to Tokyo so I can pick it up. So we're going to go for a little detour now, pick up the seat, and then get on the road back to Osaka. So yeah, I found out Mobara was only 9 minutes away, so we're going to check it out, and it's obviously just closed. Seen heaps of cool cars. Oh, that's sick. It's crazy countryside, eh? There's some cars up there, eh? Said 31 Sphero, said 32. Sick. Mobara, nah. Place is far away. You kidding, huh? So here's the main circuit. That's a pretty good vantage point, hey? Surprising, eh? Same sort of thing as Yamanashi and Mikawa. It's pretty uphill there, eh? Watching the videos, I don't know if it's just me not realizing and paying attention, but yeah, goes up quite a bit. Yeah, I wonder what an 8.6 would be like here. It's quite a long course. Wave 180, that's fucking cool. Looks fun though, eh? Come up the hill there. And then these connecting corners, they seem pretty fun. And then around to the left. It's a little bit downhill, but quite a long course. Guess that explains why it's all fucking Chasers, Mark IIs. There's 186 though, it's pretty cool. It's kind of good down here because they still care about style, you know, everything's bloody low. That's sick. Oh, that was worth the 9-minute drive just to see some cars. That's sick. I've never seen the B-Wave 180 before. That's fucking real cool. And JZ, JZ, JZ. JZ, JZ. B-Wave な。めっちゃ有名なな。かっこいい。それはな、ウェーブ。Car, that one. That's fucking clean. Starts. Nice. Actually sounds really healthy. Sounds real good. That's so cool. It's actually got a problem with the clutch, so we're gonna get that diagnosed, fix it, and yeah, get it down to the port to be sent to New Zealand. Sweet. Oh, successful trip.